What's up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and we have what appears to be the first look at the Huawei P50 series, and it is coming via Teme from Twitter, who is a very reliable Huawei leaker, so a massive shout out to him. Now this is a follow-up to the video I made a month back where I explained its specs. I'll link it down in the description and here in the iCard. I recommend watching it after watching this video. So apparently the P50 series is delayed again, and now it is coming in July. For some reason Huawei has been delaying it a lot. Sources claim that it's because there is no Mate series this year. The Mate 50 series is rumored to come in the first quarter of next year, and it is because of the chip shortage as well as the US ban. The P50 series will be using last year's Kirin 9000 chipset, but the Mate 50 series will use a new chipset on which Huawei is currently working on. So we can see a very unique design that we saw in the renders a few months back, and it's very similar to the Nova 8. We have a huge pill-shaped camera module, and there are sort of two circles in it that house the cameras, and we can see a brand new golden color which looks absolutely stunning. It suits the phone a lot. The base P50 features a flat OLED display with a hole punch in the middle, and it has very minimal bezels. We can also see the power and volume keys on the right side. It has a triple camera setup. In the upper circle we have two cameras that will probably be the main and the all right angle cameras, and in the lower circle we have the telephoto camera as well as the LED flash. We can also see another sensor between these circles, which might be the laser or focus sensor, and of course there is also Leica branding on it. As for the P50 Pro, it is a lot bigger than the regular P50. It has a curved OLED display with a hole punch in the middle and incredibly thin bezels, and it also has power and volume buttons on the right side. Now the P50 Pro has a much bigger camera module. It almost covers 1/4 of the back. I'm assuming that's because of the bigger camera sensors and the continuous zoom lens. It has a quad camera setup. In the upper circle we have three cameras that might be the main, the all wide and the telephoto cameras, and in the bottom circle we have the periscope camera with continuous zoom as well as the LED flash, and of course it also has laser autofocus and the Leica branding. I'm guessing that the Leica branding might be down the camera module like we can see in this leaked picture. And it is also said that we may not see a P50 Pro Plus model. I don't exactly know the reason behind that. Maybe it's also because of the chip shortage. Unfortunately, the camera sensors of it are not confirmed. We have no details regarding them, but I'll let you guys know if anything comes up, so subscribe for that. But we do know that all cameras of it are new, and they all feature new technology, and reports suggest that the video recording will be significantly improved, so I'm looking forward to that. Also, rumors suggest that Leica and Huawei's collaboration might come to an end with the P50 series. The P50s might be the last to have Leica branding. Apparently they are looking for new brands to collaborate with. However, this is still not confirmed, so just take it with a grain of salt. As for the HarmonyOS, the P50 series will definitely come with it instead of Android. There will still be no Google services with it. Sadly, HarmonyOS has delayed again, and reportedly its conference will now be held on June 2, 2021. Hopefully HarmonyOS will be pushed to Huawei and Honor devices soon. I also made a video on it a few weeks back where I explained which devices will receive it and which will not. I'll link that in the description down below and here in the iCard. Definitely check it out. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Drop a like on this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I bring regular videos just like this one. Also press that bell icon. I'll see you guys next time, and up until then, be fantastic.